In other news, 25 million pesos worth of smuggled fake and about to expire medicines have been seized by customs operatives. Appropriate charges are being readied against the individual behind the smuggling attempt. The full report from Noel Perfecto.
Customs intelligence authorities once again succeeded in stopping the illegal entry of smuggled counterfeit medicines worth 25 million pesos. Customs Chief Rufy Biazon, along with Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence Danilo Lim, took cognizance of this and immediately ordered the seizure of said illegal shipment placed inside a 40-footer container van. Branded medicines such as Simvastan, Centrum, multivitamins, Perigo, and amoxicillin were just some of the pirated medicines intended to be spirited out of the piers were it not for the alert interception of the agency's intelligence groups.
Yung mga gamot na nakuha, yung mga multivitamins, merong gamot na pang cholesterol. So ito yung mga typical na iniinom ng bayan. Ang kapuna-puna kasi dito yung expiry date ng mga gamot na nakalagay sa label ng packaging niya ay basically expired products ito. No? So kung dumating pa sa merkado, baka pa ito ay nabili ng ating mga kababayan at makapinsala pa sa kanila.
Commissioner Biazon did not waste time in filing charges against Mountain Glory Agri-Sales Corporation for violation of the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines and Food and Drug Administration.
Lalong gumaganda dahil mapapansin ninyo, sunod-sunod itong mga huli natin. Ano? A few days ago, nanghuli tayo ng mga pekeng mga sigarilyo, mga pangsiga, mga food ingredients. Tapos ito mga pekeng mga gamot naman. So maganda at apparently maraming naniniwala sa atin, kaya mas marami yung mga impormasyon at saka tulong na dumadating sa atin.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.